Today we're going to design a hero section for a website that this random brief generator just gave me. Okay, so here we are in the design file for soft string website hero, and let's do the wireframe for it. First, of course, there will be the logo with the name on it, or like next to it, absolutely, and some navigations on the top right corner. And since they are a soft drink company, I think we can have a kind of big bottle of any kind of drink that they're selling here in the middle of the page. It can have some text around it, like the info of the company and the drink itself, and these can be below the bottle, like they are coming from the back of the bottle. So I'll just give this bottle indicator a drop shadow of 5%, maybe 10%, and this guys will be a bit larger. We also need some placeholders for this side. Yeah, well, since I do want this video to be too long, I'll just do the wireframes and cut the video right here and resume when the wireframe is done. Okay, so make this into real life. I'll just make a copy of that and change the name to hero-design. For the bottle part, I'm going to use Unsplash for finding an image. Search for drink bottle. Okay, so this one will be placed here like this, just like this, maybe a bit bigger, and these textures will be behind it. Okay, maybe I'll just adjust it a little bit. And we're going to need a description as well, lorem ipsum. Some description about the company is always required. So, yeah. Well, I'm just going to hop into Photoshop and carve this bottle out of the background, and I'll be back very soon. Okay, so here's our bottle. Carved and really great in my opinion, and a little bit rotate like this. We're going to place it right here, and these textures will be behind it. Okay, and maybe shift them a bit into the right, and we are done. Okay, I'm going to try something, and this is making this bigger and shifting this a little bit into the left and adding a nice wooden background to the right of the picture. Wooden texture. Okay, this will suit our product. What if I place this here? But first, maybe I need to create a path for this. After giving it a fill, this will be in our frame. This one background will be masked on this. Okay, and these two will be under our bottle. And okay, maybe decreasing the exposure of that a little bit. And the texture is real big. I'm going to downscale it a bit. It's really looking big right now. Using several images. So the next part is to take these three elements and making them into real textures. So I'm going to delete them and add a new text layer, and I'm going to type fresh and chill. We'll change the font to Montserrat and game this a bit bigger using medium or semi-bold. I'm going to duplicate it into 3, rotate it into 45 degree. Yeah, this is what it's going to be looking like. I'm going to change the text later, and we need an illustration or kind of icon for this part, so it can indicate that the user should scroll down, so it will make our website more interactive and a bit more beautiful. So I'm going to add it right now. I just paste this right here, delete this cube, I'm going to add this. Yeah, that looks cool. Okay, we need some drop shadow for our text, like this. Yeah, a bit. Well, I'm gonna add some noise to the background using the noise plugin, so it could look more realistic. Play with that a bit. Okay, here's a layer of noise. Now I'm gonna make something like a slider for it. So it's going to be a slider section, so the drinks could kinda wait. So the drinks could kinda move like here, move like this here, and the other drinks come from the right side of the page into the middle of the page instead of this green ball. Okay, so it's like a slider. So here we need to have some circles, or maybe I'm gonna design it with rectangles. I'm gonna have this right here. So like this is the second slider. The other ones would be less visible to the client, to the users. I'm going to set the margins, making them a bit bigger. And here, this will be a text naming the company. So we need to also come up with a name for the company. Gonna think it right here, and well, like we can just type this in here. Yeah, this is great. Making it a little smaller, setting up the margins. The margin here 55. Okay, here it's what it looks like right now, and this is just kind of a base for our design. It needs some little details. This is absolutely looking great right now, just needs some details to be added, and yeah, that's it. Okay everyone, this is what I came up with. I think it really looks cool, and please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. This really means a lot to me. I need your support. This is my first video and I just started on YouTube. And thank you for watching.